have a 2015 Toyota Landcruiser. Just installed KENWOOD's DMX8021. Has a 7-inch high resolution screen with a short chassis design. It's built with digital and FM radio. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you've got your phone calls, messaging, maps and music. It's all voice activated, so you can use Hey Siri or Hey Google for Android Auto. Other functions, you've got wireless mirroring over Android. You've got the USB that we've put to the glove box, so you can just charge your phone or put a USB stick with music. You've got an HDMI input, so you can add like a Fire Stick to watch Netflix, Prime, BBC iPlayer, stuff like that. Also retain the 360 camera,